Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud for your website, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Cloud website. Log in to your Google Cloud account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, access the Google Cloud console. In the console, locate the project drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Select or create a new project for your website. Ensure you have billing enabled for your Google Cloud account. Head to the Compute Engines section from the left side menu. Click on VM Instances to set up a virtual machine. Press the Create Instance button to begin the configuration. Choose a name for your instance that reflects your website. Select the region and zone based on your target audience. Select the machine type that fits your performance needs. Scroll down to the Boot Disk section. Click on Change to choose an operating system for your VM. Select an OS image that is compatible with your website. Once selected, click Select to confirm your boot disk choice. Make sure to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic in the firewall settings. Proceed to click the Create button to launch your instance. After the instance is created, you will see it listed in your VM instances. Click on the instance name to configure additional settings. Note the external IP address assigned to your instance for later use. Next, connect to your VM via SSH directly from the Google Cloud Console. Install any necessary software and dependencies for your website. If you're using a web server like Apache or Nginx, install it now. Upload your website files to the VM using SCP or any FTP client. Configure the web server settings to serve your website correctly. Ensure the domain name points to your VM's external IP address. Update DNS settings in your domain registrar's dashboard as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.